gradient overlay. So double click over here. Don't double click on the actual name of the layer because then it changes. You can change the layer name if you wish. So double click over here. And we're going to pick gradient overlay. Notice how it selects as soon as you click on there. So the settings, you'll notice here underneath, it's giving me a nice radial gradient. I mean, there's linear gradients, as you can see right here. You can play around with the opacity of it, all that kind of thing. I'm going for radial at the moment. Angle of about 149. The blend mode is set to normal, and opacity is 100. I should also note that we are going to make sure that you have both the gray and black. So if you click here on this, don't click on this little arrow down here. But mind you, these are the different types of gradients you have. You can play around with these and see what you want. But if you click here, then we've got the gradient editor. And if you click on this guy down here and the color, you can select the color that you'd like. This is number A0AOAO. That's the gray that we have right here. And over here is the black, which is 1E, 1E, 1E. So we're going to get out of here